Okay. Today is day 3, and day 3 is amazing, amazing. It holds a lot of promise today. The simple reason being, here onwards, you are no more learners. How many of you already feel you know a lot about public speaking by now? In 2 days, we have learned a lot. How many of you learned a lot in 2 days? Yeah. Thank you so much. Give yourselves a pat because you are the ones who have put in efforts and learned. Give yourselves a pat on my behalf. Yeah. Come on, come on. Give yourselves a pat on Rajubhai's behalf. Yeah. Thank you so much. And people, one more request. People, please switch on your videos. We want to see you. Yeah. We want to interact with you. One of the ways I interact with you is when I see you people. Okay. Those bright faces. Don't worry. Okay. Even if it's dark or you are not wearing, nice clothes, best clothes. In fact, we tell you should come in your, no formals here, comfortable clothing, because we'll do a lot of stuff. And today we are going to do a few more amazing stuff. Okay. Anyways, for the first time, today we are going to do something for the first time in this session. Are you guys ready for that? Yeah. You'll enjoy it. That much I can tell you. Okay. Thank you so much. Remember, one mantra with Rajubhai is fun. If you're having fun, then you will automatically learn. If you're not having fun, then you will not learn. How many of you are with me on this? Yes? Come on. How many of you are with me on this? Yeah, thank you so much. Fun is with learning. If you're not having fun, you're not learning. So today is a day which you'll have lots and lots of fun and crazy stuff. Okay. So what we are going to do is, all of you have written those 5 sentences yesterday. I told you, right? You have completed your challenge of yesterday. Yeah. Show me a thumbs up if you have done. Yeah. If you have done, type in the chat box. Done. Show me some, do something to tell me, yes, you have done your assignment. If you have done your assignment, type in the chat box. Done, whatever. Kuch to karo. One of those sessions, yeah, done. One of those sessions, one child, one of those, in fact, I think she was in 10th standard, big girl, okay? She was doing like this. She did this, okay? I said, I asked you whether you finished or not. She said, Raju, you only, she wrote, you only told Express that you have done. So this is how my done is. Well, okay, God. Guys, you need to be reactive. You need to be proactive. You need to push in. You need to pull in, okay? Because today, if you don't give your 100%, you will not be able to take home 100%. Yeah. So here we go. You have written your assignment. Yeah, it became a page. I know. See, a lot of you will face this. Okay. Let me share this. A lot of you will be able to write a lot of things. Before this, you thought, I can't write even 5 lines, one sentence. Yesterday, somebody told, one sentence or one word, how much should I write? Okay, because I can't write. See, the person whom you are listening to, I have created and in the verge of creating 37 youngest authors of the world. 37. Children who are in 4th standard, 3-4 of them, 4th standard. Which class, please? Everybody show me, 4th standard. People who are in 4th standard have gone on to become youngest authors of the world. How many of you want to be youngest authors of the world? Come on, raise your hands. Yeah, thank you so much. That's the spirit. Okay. Those are the students who never wanted to write, and today they are writing their 2nd book also. Yeah. Why? Because you remember I told you I'm giving you step-by-step process. Follow me, be with me, and I'm assuring you, you will be, by the end of day 5, you will go to the next level. That is my promise to you. Okay. So what we are going to do is here. Yeah, few of you are telling I couldn't write. How much should I write? And today I know how many of you are able to write more than 1 page, more than half, much more than needed. How many of you are able to easily write? Easily, it has become easy. I just want to ask you, has it become easy for you? Yeah. Thank you so much. Wonderful. In fact, literally everybody is raising their hands or showing me thumbs up. Yes. This is what happens when you are with this system. Okay. It becomes easy. My job is not to make you write 1 page or 2 page. My job is to make it easy for you. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. My job is to make it easy for you. Yeah. And a lot of you are saying it's become very easy. Yeah, very easy and wonderful. No problem. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is, yesterday I've written a speech. You wrote those sentences, right? Today I want you to make it into a speech. Okay, you will deliver it like a speech. In fact, the way I'm standing, can you people see me standing, right? Can you see my hands? Simply the way I'm talking to you. Yeah. How many of you feel Rajwa is actually talking to us and not giving any speech? Come on, honest answer. Tell me. How many of you feel Rajubai is actually talking to us? He's not giving any speech. Yeah. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Brilliant, guys. This is what the system does to you. And I want you to do the same. Thank you. Never ever give speech. Don't ever give speech. People don't like speech. But when you talk, when you converse, people like it. They like it. Yeah. So what I want you to do is, what I want you to do is, yesterday's speech, you will deliver now. I will not unmute. Okay, you will not be unmuted. But what I want you to do is, you will stand up. Okay, stand the way Rajubai stands. Okay, don't worry if you have better poses. That's okay. For now, stand like Rajubai stands. Hands, leave your hands free and give that speech. Tell that speech. Okay, I want your hands moving. I want your head moving. I want your body moving. You stand in one place, but all this should happen as you are delivering speech. Yes? Clear? So everybody, remember, you jump up and stand. Nobody goes like grandpa. Okay? Please stand up. That's brilliant. A lot of you have stood up before I could complete. This is amazing. Yeah, you guys are amazing. Brilliant, guys. Okay. So whatever you have written yesterday, right? Everybody of you have written. Okay. That same thing you need to repeat here, but with action. You are going to tell it as if you are giving a speech in front of your class. Yeah. Imagine there are 200 people sitting in front of you. I want you to be serious here. Yeah. Because this is going to set the tone for the rest of your life from here. Everybody will stand up, hands like this in front. No, not in your pockets, not putting here and there, like this. And they should be expressing. Imagine there are 200 people sitting in front of you. You're in your class. And this is a very important debate, which is going to give you the award which you are waiting for. Yeah. You're waiting for this award for long. So now, here your name is called out and you have gone on the stage. Don't worry whether I'm able to see you or not now onwards. When you're giving a speech, it's not necessary I should see you. But make sure you move your hands and all that stuff. Okay. So when I say go, you need to start with your speech. Give it on the screen. If you have two people sitting here together watching this, you can give it to each other. Okay, both or give it to the screen or give it to each other. That's okay. Yeah. So everybody take position. Take position. Don't worry. You don't have to be visible. I want everybody standing. Nobody sit. Don't sit. Everybody stand. Unless you have some physical challenge. Otherwise, you guys are smart cookies. Stand up. Okay. Don't worry whether I'm able to see you or not. Don't worry. Okay. When I say go, you will start your speech. I'll give you 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll ask you to stop and you will stop and we'll celebrate. Okay. And start. Let your hands move. Move in the air. Let your bodies, let your neck, make some big gestures, I don't want to see anybody idle. Louder. It should be loud. Going great, guys, going great. Beautiful. Make it louder. Big gestures. Just converse. Let your hands do the talking. Let your body do the talking. Yeah, move it. It's going great. Yeah, keep moving. Move. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, I see some amazing people doing some beautiful steps. Yes, keep doing. It's okay. Move your body. I want your hands to move. Yeah. If you finish, restart again. Don't stop. Restart again. I want to keep watching. I'm seeing different screens. Don't worry. Keep talking. I want to see your hands moving. Yeah. Let your hands move. Let your neck move. Let your body move. Yeah. Big gestures. Last 30 seconds. Guys, you are doing great. You're doing amazing. Yeah. Start finishing. Start finishing. And stop. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Brilliant, guys. Brilliant. Give a high five and say, you're amazing. Please have your seat. Please have your seat. Settle down. Yeah, please settle down. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Okay. Even though I can't hear, there are few people who are actually dancing. Okay. Oh my God. मैं बोल रहा है ये कर क्या रहा है इधर. Okay. But believe me, the more your body is free, the more you are, restless, that I would say on the stage. Restless may be a wrong word in the context, but if you are more agile on the stage, people will love you. They will enjoy your speech. They will want to connect with you. Beautiful, guys. Okay. Can I have a pat on your back? I am patting on your back. Pat on your back on behalf of Rajubai and say, good job. Yeah. Thank you so much. Can I share a big secret to you people? Can I share a big secret to you people? Yeah. Because you people are youngsters. You people are teenagers. It is very important for you to understand. Okay, one more, little more, scroll down. Diksh Jain. Okay, Diksh. Can I see you here? Diksh, can you wave? Can you do something so that we recognize you? You are there. I want to see you. Some moment, Diksh, keep moving your hands and legs. Yeah. Everybody, you can see Diksh, right? Yeah, Diksh in the yellow t-shirt. Okay, today is his birthday. Now, before I move, okay, I just want, because I love celebrations. Celebrations in life is very important for me, because that is what gives you happiness. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Every celebration is happiness, correct or no? Tell me. Yeah. So we are going to celebrate Diksh's birthday. We are going to celebrate Diksh's birthday today. Okay. So what we are going to do is, Diksh, I will ask you to stand up. Okay. Open your arms like this. Yeah, Diksh. Yeah. Thank you so much. Even if you are not able to see Diksh, don't worry. Let us give our wishes. Let us give our feelings. Let us give our love to this amazing Diksh. Okay. And we are going to sing happy birthday song. Okay. For Diksh. Are you ready? I want energy here, people. I want energy. Don't, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. They are singing. I'm singing. No, I want you people to participate. Okay. So are you ready? Yeah. Diksh, raise your, open your arms. Yeah. Receive everybody's wishes. Okay. And begin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Diksh. Happy birthday to you. Can we have a round of applause for Diksh? Diksh, open your arms. Diksh, open your arms. Yes, come on, everybody. Give a huge round of applause for Diksh. Come on, guys. Let's celebrate the way it is supposed to be celebrated. Beautiful. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Beautiful. Anyways, and now I'm going to share with you the big secret. And let me tell you, this is for a lot of you, this will be what? This is not true. This is what your reactions are going to be. But this is the truth. And this is what I'm going to share with you. Remember, I told you, when we research with two reasons. One, make it simple for you. And we want to bring the reality, the truth. What gives you result? We want results. How many of you want results in life? How many of you want result? Yeah. Thank you so much. Then you're at the right place, listening to the right person. Okay. I'm going to share the screen, video screen with you. Just watch this. Okay. Yeah. And here comes the secret. A lot of you, whenever if you have gone through any program, they would have taught you, speak better language. You can use better words. How many of you agree with me? Somewhere they would have told, use better words. If you use other word, better word, bigger word, how many of you understand what I'm saying? Yes, they would have told you. Thank you. They would have told you should improve your language. Yes, you heard this. Thank you. Your language, your grammar should be better. Correct? Yes. In fact, they would have told, don't talk in two different languages, speak in one language. You heard all this, right? Thank you. Okay. Now comes the shocker for you. Words and language have only 7% impact. No matter how bestest of best words you use, the vocabulary, the grammar is amazing. Still, the impact is only 7%. Impact is only 7%. And that is why what happens is, no matter how better words, how much ever you do, your fear never goes off. You're still afraid. Even after 2, 3, 5 times going on stage, you're still afraid to go on stage. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Yes? Why? Because only 7%. Only 7%. 93% is something else. 93% is what people don't even speak to you. They don't even teach you. They don't even focus, because everybody is saying you good words, use better words, use nice language. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Thank you. And that is why your fear never goes off. And that is why your fear never goes off. And today, what I'm going to share is, see, from day one, I'm teaching you out of the 93%. How many of you understand? How many of you are with me? I'm teaching you only 93%. Thank you. Did at any point I told you use good words? Did I ever tell you in any of my last 3 days, today's third day? No, right? Did I ever tell you you should be good in your language? In fact, I told spelling mistakes, grammar, don't worry, I will take care. Yes or yes? Yes? Because I want you to focus on something which is big. I don't want to focus on this chutku. 7% is chutku, right? And you're all going behind the chutku. 7%, 7%, 7%. What? Go behind 93%. I want to ask you, type in which one, behind what do you want to go? Do you want the 7% or you want 93%? Which one do you want? Type in 7 or 93. Which one you want? Tell me. Oh my God, this is 9,000. I don't know how many threes are there. 93. Quickly type in which do you want to pursue, 93 or 7? I'm asking, option is 97 or 93. Where? Simple as that. Of course, I will make sure you get that 100%. I'm a person who get 100% record. Okay. Yeah. Brilliant, guys. Amazing. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. That 93% is very important. And from day one, if you have realized I am working on that 93% for you, how many of you understand what I'm saying? How many of you agree with me that in Sarvatra we are working for that 93%? Yes, thank you. Because I leave that 7% for your school. I leave that 7% for your parents, for your family, because they will always keep telling you, अच्छा बात कर. Correct or no? ऐसा कैसा बोल रहा है? Correct or no? They will correct you that. They will give you 7%. I am giving you 93%. That's my job. Brilliant, guys. Okay. And that is when, since day one, without even teaching you theoretically, I'm making you do everything. How many of you understand what I'm saying? Yes? Yeah? Give a high five and say, I want 93%. Give a high five and say, 93. Tell. Give a high five. Come on, guys. Brilliant. Amazing. Okay. Okay, everybody. Very, very quickly. Okay, let's have some fun. Okay. I know quite a few would have done before also, but I want you people to be with me on this. Okay. Be with me. Okay. Watch Rajubai. Even if till now you are not observed Rajubai, watch Rajubai very, very closely. Okay. Observe my hands. Okay. Everybody do this. Everybody bring your hands in front, just like how Rajubai is brought. Okay. See, this is how I brought my hands. Okay. Bring it in front of you like this. Okay. A very simple, okay, small stuff I'll do. Okay. When I say 1, 2, 3, go, you will clap. Ready for this? Yeah. Okay. Everybody, hands in front. Observe my hands. Look at my hands. Keep watching my hands. Wait. Let me start. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Give yourselves a huge round of applause first because you all clap. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. But I just want to ask you, you people are out of your minds. You don't have brains. Well, let me behave like a teacher. Okay. You don't have brains. Why did you clap? I told you, you will clap when I say 1, 2, 3, go. But you clapped before me telling go. I didn't say go, but you clapped. You understand what I'm trying to say? Did you realize? Did you people realize? All of you clapped without me telling you go. The rule was when I say 1, 2, 3, go, you will clap. You understand? Well, this is not a stupid exercise. This is one of the most amazing, most profound, simplest exercise which I can make you understand that people do what you do. They will not listen to you and do. They will do what they see. You understand 93%? Now you understand 93%? No words, no language. What you do, 93%. How many of you understood my 93% indication? Yes, words people don't understand. Thank you so much. Okay, all of you, I'm sure a lot of you are people who get 90%, 95%, who are brilliant, all that stuff, but everybody clapped. This is the power of 93%, and this is what we teach. This is what I teach my students, and that is why our students are brilliant. They go on and on, win prizes. They are amazing. You know, I can tell you there are 2-3 students. Okay, in fact, a lot of them. But I hear 2-3 students, very small. They have gone and their family function, and they have compared the functions. Imagine 5th standard students, 8th standard students, 10th standard students, family function, and they are making people do a lot of stuff. How many of you want to do that? Make your family function. You know, make all the party and yeah, be the center of attraction. Yes, thank you. Don't worry of your age. I'm going to make sure that you become that. Yeah, just be with me. Today is that day of 93%. From day one I'm doing it, but here today I'm revealing it to you. Yeah, so today is the day of that 93%. And how many of you understand I'm crazy? How many of you believe Rajubai is crazy? He will get result whatever. Come what may, my job is to get result, and that is why I'm crazy. Okay, thank you so much. And I love people when they call me crazy. Okay, I love people calling me crazy because now is the time for a crazy exercise. Yeah, and whether 2 days somebody from your house came to you or not, now today they will guarantee come and ask you, "Kya pagal kar raha hai?" Definitely they will ask you. Yeah. Again, this exercise is done standing up. Yeah. You will stand up or sit down, your choice. Absolutely no problem. But I want your 100% involvement. Remember 93, sorry, this is 7%. Remember 93% is our goal. Okay. First 93%. This class is for going towards that 93%. My job is to get you that towards that 93%, and I will do it for you. Okay. I want you to get involved. Yes. So are you ready for participating at 100%? Yes. Thank you so much. So what you are going to do is very simple. Listen. One of the reason, how many of you feel the way Rajubhai's teaching is very different? He's a wow. If you think it's different, if you love the way he's teaching, okay, type in wow in the chat box very quickly. Yeah, don't worry. I am coming to that 93%. Don't worry. Don't get into that explanation, what it is, how it is. Amazing. Yeah, I just wow, 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 wow. Yeah, don't worry. We get into this. What is this? How is this definition? Don't worry. If you are with me, if you do my exercises with 100%, you will get to that 93%. You will start your journey towards that 93%. Thank you so much. Yeah, for your love, for your whatever. This is amazing. I enjoy being with you people. Okay. So now comes the time, some crazy time, some fun time, some musty time, tamasha. Okay. But 100%. I do not want you to sit there sophisticated. Oh, how can I do this? No, I have never done this. No, somebody sitting, they will laugh. If you are a person still after on day 3, if you are doing all that, then this is the wrong place for you. Yeah, with Rajubhai, if you are with me, yeah, with Sarvatra, you need to be with me. Simply follow the flow. Yeah, with me on this. Yes. And give a high five and say, I am ready. Yeah, ask, bring it on. Do this. Ask Rajubhai, bring it on. Yeah, thoda attitude. Show me some attitude. I love, kids, teenagers showing attitude. Bring it on. I'll see. Yeah, this is, oh, I love you guys. Thank you. So the activity is very simple. Yeah. Very, very simple. I'm going to read out either some name. Okay, it's a name of maybe an animal or an action or a behavior. What you are going to do is, when I call out animal name, you are going to make the sound of that animal. Yeah, 1. I want you to be open-hearted. Thank you so much, Archie, for that huge thumbs up. Yeah, Kashish, Pranmay, Kirti, beautiful guys. Naman, amazing guys. Beautiful, you all with me. I love you guys. Nena, Naman, Ansh, Mayank, Samyak, you guys are amazing. You guys are rocking. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I can see a lot. Deshna, Ayushi, Mavir, Darsh, beautiful guys, amazing. Okay. Point number 2, whenever I tell you some action to be done, you'll understand it's very clear. Okay. There you will use, wherever you can use words, use I am the best. What is the words? What is the sentence? I am the best. What is the sentence, please? Jonah, sweetheart, what is the sentence? Yes, Eric, I am the best. Okay. Dix, birthday boy, I am the best. Okay. This is the sentence. Thank you. Okay. So, I want you to be free. I want you to feel free. Because when you are doing, I want you to do your actions as well. Your head, your hands also moving in the way it is. Okay. Okay. Let me give one. Let us do a trial. Okay. Are you ready for the trial? Yes. Then we go into the action. Okay. Cat. Cat. Yeah, I want you to, your face, it should be like a cat. Try being like a cat. Your hands like cat. Whatever you feel, don't worry. Does a cat act? Jonah, I want to see like cat. Cat. Okay. Oh, guys, you are doing amazing. Beautiful, guys. Okay. Remember, this stuff is to have fun. Don't worry what you are learning. With Rajubhai, you don't have to worry. Rajubhai and Sunita, they will worry whether they are learning or not. Okay? With me, be with me and have fun. I want you to have fun. That's all. Ready? Yes? Yeah? Okay. Car. Make the sound of car. Your car may sound different, don't worry. Okay, but make sure your car is moving. Yeah. Make some noise. Maybe somebody's car is like this. It's okay. Do it, car. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. I want you to act. I want you to action. I want you to show. Beautiful. Hey, stop. Brake lagao, bhai. Accident ho jayega. Okay, thank you. Next is dog. Tushes. Come on, guys. Come on. I want to see you. Dog. Wow. Yeah. Make that sound. Yeah. Make that louder, as loud as you can, and hand action. And if you want to go down and do all that stuff, do it. But do it. Yeah. Thank you. Now, I am the best. Okay. Shouting. Shout louder now on top of your voice. Shouting. You're shouting at somebody. I am the best. Shout. Yeah, you're angry at, yeah, shout. Okay. Beautiful. You guys are doing great. Okay. Whisper in somebody's ears. Okay. Whisper very slow. You are telling in somebody's ears. Use your hands, use your gestures, use your hands, use your action. Yeah, I want you to. Very whispering. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Now I want you to really get into the act. Okay. I want you to really do this. Okay. I am the best. Cry. Oh, please cry. I am the best. Cry and say I am the best. Priyam, cry and tell. Come on, guys. I want you to involve. Cry. Some people cry. It's okay. Whichever way you cry, I'm okay. But cry. I want you to cry. Yeah. Stop. Okay. You guys are going great. Okay. I appreciate. Super, guys. Okay. Next is laugh. I am the best laughing. Say I am the best laughing. I am the best. Yeah. Laugh. It's okay. Monstrous laugh. Okay. Feminine laugh. Mess. Whatever. Laugh. And say I am the best. Okay. Now, cuckoo bird. Voice of cuckoo bird. I want you to do the hand actions also with that. You should feel also like a cuckoo. Yeah, do it. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. And now, next one. Snake. Somebody may do this also. I'm okay. Snake. Show me snake. That's all. Snake. How does the snake sound? Yeah. Thank you. Now, train. Train sound. Make that sound louder. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. You guys are going amazing. Okay. Next is try telling I am the best with your nose. Voice should come out of your nose. I am the best. I am the best. It should come out of your nose. Try talking with your nose, through your nose. Okay. I am the best. Do that. Yeah, I want to see you doing that. Quickly, guys. Beautiful the way you are doing. Okay. I can make out the efforts you people are putting. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Now the sound of a cow. Whatever. Cow. Sound of cow. Don't stop till I don't tell you to stop. Continue doing that again and again. Yeah, do it. Yeah. Okay. Now next one. I am the best. Stammer in between telling I am the best. best. Okay, stammering, you are stammering in between. Stammer, I am the best. Okay, whatever way you want to show it. Stammering, stammer in between as you are talking. Yeah, stammer, best. Whatever, do it again, continue again and again and again till I tell you to stop. Do it, guys. You are doing amazing, but I want you to continue. Stammer, I don't want to see anybody sitting idle. Sachin, I can see you sitting idle. Yeah, stop. Thank you so much. Okay, and now I am the best. You need to get angry. Show your anger and use I am the best. Use your anger. I am the best. I am the best very quickly. Archie, you are enjoying, sweetheart. I'm enjoying watching you do that. Huge round of applause to both of you. Beautiful. Others, come on. Okay. And now stop. Okay. Now the last one. And I want you to put all your energy and effort into this. Okay. I want you to act. I want you to behave exactly complete top to bottom. You need to behave this way and tell that I am the best. Okay. Shy. You are shy. So I am the best. If you are shy, how will you tell? Best. Kriyan, come on. Veer, come on. Yeah, whatever your action is, but I want you to do it. And stop! Can we have a huge round of applause? Come on, guys, clap. Huge round of applause. Don't stop. Thank you so much. If this was the test, let me tell you, I would have passed all of you whose videos is on, because the way you people participated, I enjoyed watching you. Okay, and I'm sure I'm still thinking maybe next time I will think how to unmute you people and we can listen to you, because I'm sure that would have been even more interesting. But if you're happy with your performance, pat on your back on behalf of Rajbhai, say good job. Amazing. I saw you people put more than 100%. That's the best. That is, I could see you wanting that 93%. I can see that hunger for 93%. Yes, of course. What you also need to understand is here it is a limitation, because we are, quite a lot of us, and the thing is, it has limitations. In fact, there are quite a lot of you whom I want to work with individually. Okay, the way you are participating, I feel I want to work specially with you people, because I know you are going to go to the next level. Okay, way ahead. Of course, others are also, but definitely I want to work with few of you people. Let me work out with Sunita ji and understand how we can work with few of you, because I personally feel the way you people are behaving, I know you are going to be crazy stars. Okay, you are going to be crazier than me. Okay, beautiful guys, beautiful. I am enjoying watching you people. Well, this is what a teacher wants. Listen, for a teacher, there is nothing better than the student giving 100%. Where you reach, how much you reach is a different story. That a teacher will ensure, a Rajbhai will ensure, we will pull you. That is when I'm saying I want to work with a lot of you people. Anyway, let's see how we do that. But this one exercise, okay, amazing. How many of you felt crazy? Actually, if you felt crazy, type in crazy very quickly, because I want to jump to the next one. If you felt crazy, type in crazy over here, because madness, if it was madness, type in whatever. Type in very quickly. Super guys, super. I can see your commitments. This is what I love. Super crazy. Yes, of course. So you people are also coming in that direction. Welcome to the crazy world of making a difference to everybody. Beautiful. Okay. So are you guys ready for the next one? Are you guys ready for more? Do you want more? Yeah, show me a thumbs up if you want more. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, if you want more, for the more, everybody has to stand up. Please stand up quickly. Yeah. How many of you feel that Rajubhai makes you do more exercise than the exercise class? How many of you feel that way? Yeah, he's making us go crazy. He's making us do a lot of exercise. Yeah, brilliant, guys. Okay, because if you want to go to the next one, what we are going to do is just give 5 high fives. Okay, this is how you generate energy. Okay, this is how you do jumping jacks. Okay, move your legs apart and try touching your hands over your head. Okay, when I say go, we will do it 10 times. Okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. 4, 5. Go. 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Give a high five and say, wow, I'm having fun. Okay, settle down. Settle down. Please make sure you have some water. Okay, a lot of you forget to drink water. Please have some water. Okay. Now, is it okay if I give you some tips for writing? Now we come to the part for writing speech. Yes, this is important, right? You agree with me? This is important. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Because I also feel with fun, you also need to learn some things which are very, very critical. Otherwise, others will make it very difficult for you. I am going to make it very easy, very simple for you. Okay. So what you are going to do today is in writing, maybe you have a pad and a pen, right? Writing book and a pen. Show me, please. Yeah, that's great. Okay, thank you so much. Because now whatever I'm going to tell you, write it down. Okay, you need to write down. Let's touch upon all the aspects because we need to go to the 93% also. And how much ever we can grab of the 7%, let's not leave that also. With me on this, yes? Yes, we want 93 also. We want 7 also. A lot of you have written 100% here. So this is your chance. 93 already we worked on. This is your chance to work on the 7%. Let's have 100%. Okay. So what you are going to do today is, what I'm going to make you do is very simple. I'm wanting to keep it very simple. Okay. But I'm going to teach you a technique which will help you come out with a speech within 15 minutes. Yes, within 15 minutes, you'll be able to come out with your speech. You want to learn that art? Yes. Thank you so much. And I'm telling you without help. Of course, in case if you are too young, maybe you can take the help of your parents. But I'm telling you, if you are above 10 years, you don't need anybody's help. And if you are above 8th standard, oh, you don't need anybody's help, believe me. Yeah, except for in case you want affirmation, you can check out with them. Otherwise, you are self-reliant from here onwards as far as writing speech or is concerned. Okay. Today's topic is all about, I'm keeping it as simple. Okay. I'm wanting to take you a step at a time. I don't want to simply rush you. Okay. Because if I rush you, you'll get lost. You will not get that 93, neither will you get that 7%. Okay. That is why I'm very importantly splitting it and giving you part by part. So the topic for today is the happiest moment of my life. Write down the happiest moment of my life. Write down. I want you to write down. I don't want you to remember. Don't remember. Write it. This part, when I say write it, write it. The happiest moment of my life. Yeah, show me a thumbs up if you have done. Okay, so that I move further. Yeah, very quickly show me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Very participative. You are giving more than 100%. I love you guys. Except for those 2-3 people. Rest everybody is giving 100%. Beautiful. Okay. Now what you are going to do is, after the program, sit down alone. Okay, maybe in your room, maybe in mummy's room, maybe in hall, wherever. but sit alone with your book. Only your companion is your book and your pen. Am I clear till here? Yeah. Sit alone without mobile phone, without watching or doing anything, maybe no TV, no gaming at that moment. This is exercise for 10-15 minutes only, not throughout the evening. 10-15 minutes only. Sit down, no distractions whatsoever, no TV, no mobile, no gaming, nothing. Sit alone, only book and pen with you, nobody also around you. Okay, close your eyes then. Okay, very beautifully close your eyes there. Not here, not here, not now, not now. Hello, hello, open your eyes. Not now. I love you guys. You guys are with Raju bhai. Okay, I am enjoying your company. Come on, beautiful. Okay, there, when you are doing this, close your eyes and sit down. Okay, and then think when you laughed a lot. There are times in our life we simply laughed like mad. Okay, think of the time. Okay, where did you go for vacation? It could be in your time when you are on your vacation. Okay, a lot of time we have a lot of fun in our vacation. Yes, you agree with me? Yeah, vacation time, that could be your time when you had your fun. Maybe you went with your family, your vacation with your uncle, aunt, masi, nana, whatever, whoever. Vacation time, you may have had fun. Okay, you may have had fun in your home, in your building apartment complex. Okay, yeah, you may have fun in your school. Maybe 2 years back when you were going to the school, then you would have had fun. Okay, some mischief in the class, some fun, right? Yes, school is a place, school, college is a place where you have lots and lots of fun. Believe me, lots of fun. How many of you agree with me? School is a place to have lots of fun. Yeah, thank you so much. If you didn't have fun in the school, someday I have loads and loads of stories, okay, of how I had fun. And believe me, you will say, Rajuba, you did all this. Remember, I told you, smart people never get caught. You remember that? Yes. But I had all the mischief. I did all the mischief, believe me. Of course, it didn't harm anybody in the process. I made sure of that. Okay. School, then weddings. Whenever we have weddings, okay, weddings, maybe your bhaiya, didi, your cousins, some wedding. Weddings is a place where you have fun, right? Yes, so many relatives come. We have so much of tamasha, halla gulla, right? Yeah, maybe there. Think of the picnics which you have gone. 1 day picnic, 2 hours picnic with your family, you know, quick one with your cousins, a quick picnic. Okay, you had fun. When you went to trips, okay, long trips, maybe outside India, inside India, wherever you have gone, think of those. Then tuition, for some people, they have a lot of fun in tuitions. Okay, Suntaji. Okay, a lot of fun in tuitions. In case you had fun in tuition, maybe. Okay, a lot of us have fun with our cousins. How many of you feel cousins are fun? Come on, raise your hands. If you have cousins, raise your hands. Okay, thank you so much. And if you not have fun with your cousins, then you are missing something in life. Okay, you are missing something in life. Cousins means fun, and you should always have fun. Anyway, now is the lockdown, so now don't go out and tell, you know, Mummy, Raju bhai said go to cousins house, so I want to go to cousins. Okay, relax. Over the phone, over the Skype, whatever. Am I making sense? Yes, on a Zoom call, but cousins are fun. Then, of course, friends. Time spent with friends. You don't even know how much time simply goes away with friends. You agree with me? Sit with friends and oh my God, you realize time ho gaya, right? Oh my God, time bhi ho gaya. 4:55. My time is also over. So is it we are with friends? Do people take Rajbhai as a friend? Yes. Do people take Rajbhai as a friend? Thank you so much. I take you people as friends. That is why perhaps the time goes so fast. I don't even know. Thank you, friends, for this amazing stuff. Okay. Right. Think of these instances, any instance, write down what that instance is. Okay. And zero on one instance. Okay. Any one instance or two instance where you had a lot of fun. The word is the happiest moment of my life, where you had a lot of fun. Be very open when you are writing. Okay, you are mischievous. So what? Yeah. God loves people who are very mischievous. Do you know that? Yeah, God loves backbenchers. Because front benchers are gone for tuition or busy studying. Backbenchers are, when God comes, only backbenchers are there. So God says, oh my God. Yes, because backbenchers are the one who keep telling, oh my God, did you finish your assignment? Oh my God. Did you do your homework? Oh my God. Yes, they are the ones who remember God a lot, right? Backbenchers. Correct me if I'm wrong. That is why God loves backbenchers. Okay. So write one instance for 2 pages, 1 or 2 pages in your notebook. A small notebook is there, right? 1 or 2 pages, say for 2 minutes, it's okay. Yeah, I want you to recollect that incident. When you're recollecting, what you need to do is, you also just how you had fun, right? Feel that instance which is happening with you. Yes, which happened with you. Make sense? Yeah. Also important is, maybe 5-6 times you may want to practice it. Yeah, practice it and then tell it in front of your family members or tell it in front of the mirror. You can practice various ways of practicing. Practice in front of mirror, practice in front of mummy, or evening when everybody is there, make everybody sit, now listen to my speech, and give you a speech. Yeah. And I want you to try giving it without the paper. Don't take the paper. Without the paper, you need to do it. Make sense? Important point is, don't say, you know what happened, and suddenly his shorts came off and we all were laughing. Hello, it should be, and you know what happened? His shorts came off and oh my God. This is how it should be. And you're getting my point? I want your voice to speak 93%. Use that 93%. Make sense? Yes? I want you to use that 93%. And suddenly he slipped. Oh my God. We laughed. Don't say, that day we laughed a lot. We had a lot of fun. Yeah. And don't be one monkey muka, okay? Yeah. Be one smiley face. Be one laughing Buddha. And make sure people around you should also laugh with you. Yes? Are you people with me on this? Clear on this? Yeah. Thank you so much for your information. Time is up. Okay. This recording of the video will be made available in case you think you want to go back and learn something again, a portion, something you missed. Yeah. Or the instruction in the end. I'm going to put this in YouTube after 6:30, around 6:30. This will 7 o'clock. It will come in YouTube. I will share the link in the group. You can watch it again over there. This is for your benefit. Okay. In case you don't understand something, don't sit down and keep scratching. I don't know. Simply click on that YouTube link and whichever portion you want to see. That is why I say don't remember, recollect. That's all. That is how it is. Yes. So, yeah. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I had a lot of fun with you people. You people are amazing. You people are amazing. I really mean it from my heart. Yeah. So we prepare one by one. Today was day 3. Did you even realize 3 days have simply gone just like that? And we have reached to a level for that 93%. Our job is that 93%. Rajubai will ensure, Sunita they will push you towards that 93%. We want that 93%. We want to eat out of that 93%. 7%, nothing will come in your hand. 93% to bada hai. Yes or yes? So let's focus on our 93%. Let's have fun. And today, how you felt, leave a comment before moving ahead from here. Okay. Leave a comment how you felt about today's session. What did you learn in today's session? We will again meet tomorrow at 3:45. The room will be open at 3:45. We'll start at 4. Till then, all the best. You guys are amazing. You rock. Thank you so much.